Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. If you want your ads to appear across millions of websites, apps, and YouTube placements automatically, responsive display ads are exactly what you need. And in today's tutorial, I'll show you how to create responsive display ads in Google Ads 2026 step by step, so Google can automatically optimize your ads for best performance. Now let's get right into it and follow these few simple steps. The first thing you want to do is to start up your Google Ads account. And to do that, you're going to go to business.google.com and you're going to make sure you sign in with your Google account. After that, you're going to click on the Start Now button. And after that, you're going to fill in the information about your business, for example, the business name and the business website, which is mandatory in order to proceed with setting up your account. Once you do that, you're going to click on Next and you're going to follow the and fill in the information needed. Once you do that, you're going to open a display campaign. As you can see here, this is the display or the search display ad, the Google display ads. You're going to log into Google Ads and you're going to go to campaigns. Now, after you go to a campaign, you're going to select an existing display campaign or create a new one. Once you do that, you're going to create a new ad and then clicking on ads and assets, then click on the plus button and choose the responsive display ad. Once you do that, you're going to add a final URL by entering your landing page URL and Google will scan it to suggest assets automatically. After that, you're going to go here and upload multiple images like landscapes, squares, etc. depending on the ratio, and add at least one logo and make sure to use high quality visuals with minimal text. You're going to fill in this box right here. And after that, you're going to add the headlines and descriptions. Now, once you you can add up to 5 headlines and up to 5 descriptions, and Google will automatically test combinations. The final thing to do is to view and save. Preview and save. You can check the previews across different platforms or placements, then click on save, and it will work. You can use different messaging styles in the headlines and avoid duplicates, text across assets, and let the ad run before judging performance. And that's it. That's how you create a responsive display ad in Google Ads 2026. These ads save time and let Google optimize it for you. And if you like this video and found this helpful, please like and subscribe and leave a comment below the video if you have further more questions about this topic. Thanks for watching and see you again in the next tutorial.